Today we're going to talk about helping our kids eat healthy. Some of the things that I found when I was doing some research was, meal planning, making sure that we had unhealthy foods out of the house so it was kind of out of sight, out of mind, and then also cooking together. On a website, parenting.com, it is also a magazine. They had a few articles, but some of the main things that they talked about was planning your meals and being prepared for the week ahead so that you didn't have just the sweet, sugary options available. So personally, I do a lot of planning. In the beginning of the week, we um, talk about some different meals that we want to eat throughout the week and different snacks that we want to have, things to send in lunches, stuff like that. And it really helps the kids, know what they can and can't have after school, um, as well as kind of what we're going to eat throughout the week, so that they can help me cook those and everything along those lines. One of the main things that I look at is what food groups we need to eat from. So how many meats do we need to have? How many vegetables and fruits, nuts and berries, and of course we always add in that a little bit of sugar at the end of the week if we've had a good week. Um, we do a lot of cooking together and a lot of eating family style. So by doing this, this helps encourage the kids to know what they're eating, that I'm not sneaking any vegetables in there that they don't know about. Um, it also helps them just, learn those simple tasks throughout that they're going to need for the rest of their life. Everybody needs to know how to cook at least something for dinner. So this kind of helps them be involved and it helps create that, good family environment for them. And it also helps them learn, what is good to eat and what might not be the best. They might not eat their salad or their vegetables that's on their plate today or tomorrow, but as they grow older, they will understand that it is a good option for them so that they can feel good with what they're putting in their bodies. So with this, there was, like I said, many sites available to look at and get ideas on how to eat healthier or how to help our families eat together. And CDC.org had some good things as well about ways to include exercise and ways to involve the whole family in eating well together.